If your iPhone is charging very slowly or showing a long time to complete the charge after the iOS 27 update, don't worry. I came with some real solutions. Just follow every process and hopefully one of them will fix your charging issue. So let's get started. Now, before trying anything else, check which version of iOS 27 you are running. If you're using an early beta version update to the latest iOS version, Apple has already fixed several charging related bugs in newer updates. But in your case, if you're already on the latest version, now try this because many people overlook it. Just open up your settings, tap battery, then battery health and charging, turn off optimize battery charging. If you also see clean energy charging, turn that off as well. These features can intentionally slow down charging in certain situations. And then the thing you just have to try, keep your charger connected, then press the volume up button once, then press the volume down button once, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And this restart can clear any temporarily software bugs affecting charging. But in your case, if that didn't help, here's another thing you should check. Just go to settings, then general, then background app refresh. Here, turn it off for apps you don't need. If low power mode is enabled, just try to turn it off as well. Now try charging your iPhone with a wireless or MagSafe charger if you have one. If your iPhone charges normally wirelessly but charges slowly or doesn't charge with a cable, the problem is most likely your charging adapter, cable, or charging port. So use an original Apple charging cable along with least a 20 watts USB-C power adapter. If you are using an old 5-watt charger, a computer USB port, your iPhone will charge much more slowly, so you just have to use a good quality cable and adapter is one of the biggest factor in charging speed. Here, another quick thing to check, just look inside the charging port for dust or lint. So you just have to clean inside with a blower or a soft brush. If your iPhone feels warm while charging, that's worth checking too. So you just have to move your iPhone to a cooler place and avoid using games, the camera, or the heavy apps while it's plugging in. Your iPhone automatically slows charging when it gets too hot to protect the battery. If nothing has worked so far, try resetting all settings. Just go to settings, then general, and from transfer or reset iPhone, choose reset, then tap reset all settings 3 times. This won't delete your personal data, but it will reset system settings that could be causing the issue. If you have tried everything and your iPhone is still charging slowly, especially if it started after a battery replacement or another repair, it's most likely a hardware issue. In that case, boot your iPhone into Recovery Assistant or Diagnostic mode. Just press the volume up button once, then volume down button once, then press and hold the side button until you see this showing loading recovery options. So when the recovery option appears, select Recovery Assistant or Diagnostics, connect to Wi-Fi, then follow the on-screen instruction. If your iPhone detects any hardware issues, it will let you know here. Mine is okay. Hopefully after trying all of this solution, one of this fixed your slow charging issue. So let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.